The truth is that you are never, and I mean never, getting into this frat.
Oh, hey. Welcome back, everyone. This is episode 4 of the pilot season of the Bartenderson extravaganza, title in progress. Episode 4 is pretty exciting because I'm going to be diving into a realm that I'm not too familiar with. I'm going to be looking at party drinks, something you'd probably find at a frat party. And you know, I was in college once, went to a few of those, and while I stayed for probably 2 minutes, I noticed a few things that were pretty common in all of those parties, and so we're gonna be taking a shot at making something that seems a little amateur and making it very beautiful. And that's what I do here, I think. Wait, before we start, now we're gonna do the album. I'm gonna scoot here. We got Marvin Gaye, What's Going On? Really cool album, really cool guy. If you don't know who he is, I don't know what to tell you. On to the drink. All right, we're at the frat guy part of the video. Every frat party I've been to, there's just been random liquor, just a 2-liter of flat soda. So this is the one that we have in our fridge. So I'm gonna make a frat guy martini. It's not gonna be a martini at all. It's just gonna be in a martini glass. Because I think it'd be hilarious if at a frat party they were all walking around with martini glasses. So I think that's what we're gonna do tonight. So I'm gonna grab my shaker, and then I'm gonna do a little 1/4 ounce of my homemade passion fruit syrup. Passion fruit is so good. If there's one thing you take from this video, it's that passion fruit is awesome. 1/4 ounce passion fruit syrup. And then what I'm thinking is probably just, every frat party has vodka. I need to kill off the rest of my vodka too, so I'll probably do 1.5 ounces of vodka. I'm gonna kind of go tropical on this one. I'm gonna match the vodka with pineapple juice, preferably freshly squeezed, but I have my best friend Dole here. Dole is awesome. We're gonna go with 1.5 ounces of pineapple. And now, only do this with flat soda. Do not shake a drink if it is a fresh, always top that. But since it's flat, I'm gonna give it a shot. 1 ounce, 3/4 ounce of the orange crush here. This will have a nice orange color to it. Nice. All right, I'm gonna go grab my chilled martini glass. Put your martini glasses in the freezer. Get my regular strainer and my fine mesh strainer. We're gonna go in here. So this is like kind of a pineapple orange passion fruit punch, man. This actually sounds pretty freaking good. And then to garnish, I'll make it look all nice and pretty. Imagine you're at a frat party and this is your bartender. Yo guys, what's up? What you want?
Yes.
Oh, did you ask for 1 million beers?
Oh, that's so crazy.
Yeah. Here you go, man. Have fun at the party. This is the frat guy martini. This actually looks... Whoa, that's refreshing. Yeah, sig up, beta, woohoo! All right, I'm actually pleasantly surprised with this frat guy martini. I think it's a little heavy on the pineapple juice. It also doesn't help the fact that the orange crush is a bit watered down and very, very flat. There's not a lot of flavor left in it. So the main things you really taste are just the pineapple and the little bit of passion fruit syrup that I put in there. But overall, it's really tasty and actually pretty refreshing. If you use maybe a fresh pineapple juice, maybe if you use like a fizzy orange crush that you don't shake and put on top, it might actually be pretty good and bubbly and bright. But as for a basic template, I encourage all frat bros, do this with any kind of soda that you have that has gone flat and you don't know what to do with it, you know, because I really value you guys and I want you guys to look cool. That's That's the frat guy martini. Which one of you guys is gonna be drinking this one? Is it? Yeah, I think it's.
Could you do a little bit more of like a...